there, thanks for tuning in. My name is Rhiannon and I'm one of the founders of Barbecue Spit Rotisseries. Today I'm going to answer one of the most common questions we get asked from our customers. How long does it take to cook Greek gyro on a spit? Cooking Greek gyro on the spit is probably my favourite thing to cook on a spit. Now, from the time you put the meat onto the spit until you get to that first carve, you're looking at about 90 minutes. Now that's assuming that you've taken the meat out of the fridge and let it warm up a little bit to room temperature. Never take the meat straight out of the fridge, put it on the skewer and then straight on the spit. After the first carve, you can do each subsequent carve about every 45 minutes. If you'd like to stay connected and keep upping your barbecue game, don't forget, hit the subscribe button, post a comment below, give us a big thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.